Which of the following insurance plan models require a referral from a primary care provider to schedule an appointment with a dermatologist? The options are Preferred Provider Organization (PPO), Pay for Performance, Health Maintenance Organization (HMO), Exclusive Provider Organization (EPO). First of all, let's keep in mind that between PPO and HMO, PPO is more flexible, HMO is less flexible, and the EPO is in between PPO and HMO. And pay for performance only compensate the provider if they meet certain measure of quality and efficiency. Here we have side-by-side comparison of HMO, EPO, and PPO, and we're looking for the one that requires referral to see a specialist, such as dermatologist. Right off the bat, you could see for HMO, must get a referral to see a specialist. EPO, no referral necessary. PPO, no referral necessary. So we know our answer is HMO. Therefore, it's gonna be option C. Hope you found it helpful.